If you want to make sure your email looks perfect before sending it to your audience, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to send a test email in Mailchimp, step by step, so you can check your design links, text and layout before the real campaign goes out. This is one of the easiest ways to avoid mistakes and make your emails look professional. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp. Once the site loads, sign into your Mailchimp account using your email address and password. After you're logged in, you'll land on your Mailchimp dashboard. From here, look at the left-hand menu and click on Campaigns. This is where all of your email campaigns are stored, including drafts, scheduled emails, and sent campaigns. Now, locate the email campaign that you want to test. If you have several campaigns, take a moment to make sure you choose the correct one so you don't edit the wrong email. Once you've found it, click Edit next to the campaign. This will open the campaign editor or campaign overview page, depending on where you are in the process. On the campaign overview page, look toward the top right corner. You should see an option that says Send a Test Mail. Click that button, and Mailchimp will open a pop-up window where you can configure the test email settings. This is the part that lets you preview the email exactly as your recipients will see it. In the pop-up window, find the Send a Test to field. Here, enter the email address where you want to receive the test email. If you want feedback from more than one person, you could also enter multiple email addresses. That's helpful if you want someone to review the copy, someone else to check the design, or a teammate to confirm the links and formatting. Before you send the test, Mailchimp may also give you a few optional settings. For example, you may be able to send the test to other Mailchimp account users, add a personal message or instructions for reviewers, or choose who should receive notifications when comments or feedback are added. If those options appear, adjust them based on how you want your team to review the campaign. Once everything looks good, double-check the email address or addresses you entered. Then click Send Test at the bottom of the pop-up window. Mailchimp will now send the test email to the selected recipients. Give it a moment to arrive in the inbox, and then open it so you can review the final result. When you receive the test email, check everything carefully. Look at the subject line, the preview text, the images, the spacing, the buttons, and all of your links. Make sure the email displays correctly on desktop and mobile if possible. This is your chance to catch any mistakes before the campaign is sent to your full list. And that's it. You now know how to send a test email in Mailchimp. It's a simple but important step that can save you from sending out emails with broken links, typos, or formatting issues. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.